Dear students, today you are going to study about Russian Revolution and its impact. In your social science book, volume 1, unit 1, page number 10. Russian Revolution was one of the most important events in the world history. It was broke out in 1917. In the year 1917, there were two revolutions broke out in Russia. One was in March and the other was in November. Let us learn the causes of the revolution. First one is social causes. In 1861, Tsar Alexander II of Russia emancipated the Serbs, but they were not given enough land to survive. These peasants became the powderhead for the revolution. Second cause is role of revolutionaries. Based on the Marxist philosophy, new ideas began to take shape and a social and democratic labor party was formed. The Marxists declared themselves against acts of terrorism. Third cause is autocracy of the Tsar. Tsar Nicholas II of Romanov dynasty had little experience of government. His wife Tsarina Alexandra was a dominant personality and Nicholas was under her strong influence. Here you see the picture of Tsar Nicholas II and his wife Tsarina Alexandra. Nicholas was forced to grant a constitution and establish a parliament, that is, Duma. Duma gave the middle classes a voice in the government, so the moderates were supportive of the government policy, while the left wing continued their opposition. Left wing means the people who supported the communist principles. Then, then opposition to Tsar and dissolution of Duma. Whenever the Duma opposed the Tsar's move, it was dissolved and fresh elections held. Without change of government policy, the Fourth Duma entered with the revolution of 1917. Next cause, popular uprisings. On 23rd February 1917, when the socialists celebrated International Working Women's Day, though none called for strikes, fearing that the time was not ripe for militant action, the bread shortages among women's textile workers, many with husbands in the army, forced them to go on strike anyway and march through the factory areas of Petrograd, the capital of Russian Empire. Next, the abdication of Tsar. The government used the army to break the strike. The Tsar then tried to return to Petrograd. The railway workers stopped his train. The generals at the front and some leaders in Petrograd, frightened by these developments, pleaded with the Tsar to abdicate. On 15th March, Nicholas II resigned. Provisional government. Those in Duma were able to form a provincial government with the consent of the Soviets. The Soviet was dominated by Mensheviks and the minority Bolsheviks were timid and undecided. The situation changed with the arrival of Lenin. Lenin was born in 1870 to educated parents in Volga in Russia. Influenced by the ideas of Karl Marx, Lenin believed that the way for freedom was through mass action. He emerged as a prominent figure in Russian politics. Lenin gained the support of a small majority known as Bolsheviks, which became the Bolshevik Party. His opponents in minority were called Mensheviks. Here you see the picture of Lenin. Then, failure of provincial government. Lenin was in Switzerland When the revolution broke out, Lenin wanted continued revolution. His slogan of all powers to the Soviets soon won over the workers' leaders. The government arrested all Bolsheviks. Then, course of the revolution. In October, Lenin convinced the Bolshevik Central Committee to decide on immediate revolution. On 7th November, the key government buildings, including the Winter Palace, the Prime Minister's headquarters, were seized by the armed factory workers and revolutionary troops. On 8th November 1917, a new communist government was in office in Russia. Its head was Lenin. The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. Thus, the Communist Party captured the power of Russia. Then, the outcome of the revolution or the impact. The Russian Communist Party eliminated illiteracy and poverty in Russia within a record time. Russian industry and agriculture developed remarkably. Women were given equal rights, including rights to vote. Industries and banks were nationalized. Land was announced as social property. Land was distributed to poor peasants. The Russian Revolution fired people's imagination across the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed. Dear students, you should study one question. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. Look at your book and study this question. Thank you.